Fantastic 4-bedroom home located in the southwest part of Cape Coral, close to Lake Kennedy, shopping and easy access to Pine Island, Fort Myers, and North Fort Myers. Soaring ceilings, very flexible floor plan, niche shelf, great kitchen with stainless steel appliances and beautiful plank tile flooring in main areas. Less than $3,300 left on assessments. This home also has tons of extras: fenced, LED lighting, beautiful landscape and a covered patio. Tons of room for a pool also. If you have been looking for a spacious home with 3 bedrooms in their own wing and a private master bedroom, look no more.